This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so you won't lose anything. Back up your profile now, because disabling Secure Boot may require power wash later. Once done, identify the recovery key combo for your Chromebook model. Some use ESC plus refresh plus power, others need a hardware recovery. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and have a USB or micro SD recovery drive ready. This avoids interruptions and gives you an escape if firmware changes require reinstalling Chrome OS. You now move into developer mode because that unlocks the firmware controls. Press the recovery keys, accept the warnings, and then enable developer mode. Note this will erase local data, so only proceed if backed up. Once the device reboots into developer mode, open Crash with Ctrl plus Alt plus T, type shell, and run the firmware utility commands specific to your board. These commands expose the custom firmware or allow toggling of verified boot. Follow each prompt carefully and watch for completion messages. Finally, you disable Secure Boot through the firmware utility or by flashing custom firmware if needed. Follow on-screen confirmations and accept responsibility for the change. Once disabled, reboot and verify that alternate OS or unsigned kernels now load. If the Chromebook fails to boot, insert your USB or micro SD recovery media and reinstall Chrome OS. This restores original firmware in most cases. One troubleshooting tip: if firmware flash fails, remove power, receipt storage, retry the flash, and use the recovery image to restore a working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.